Good morning, fellow Ambazonians. Today, na first day for April 2021. April Fool. Asaludu na all. My name na Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonian Defense Forces. Good citizens of Ambazonia, we start today with news. Say the United States of America, it done release its report profiling the Cameroons. That means La République du Cameroon and the territory of the Southern Cameroon, Ambazonia. The report will be found in www.state.gov for the section of the executive summary. When fit take a look for get first-hand information about the statements and where American government is write them for day. When it comes for the Ambazonian liberation movement, the United States of America recognize say they get only three main factions them where they represent the liberation movement of the Ambazonian people. It be listed as follow: the Governing Council of Ambazonia, then the two IGs them, the main IG led by Siseko Ayuk Tabi and the other splinter IG led by Samuel Ikome Sako. We could present an analysis for this report, for this profiling by the American State Department for our next show on the No Connie Talk Show. Due to the difficulties and what they get them with Facebook, our show don't be moved for YouTube. But every time we will get the chance for use them for Facebook, since most people that is subscribe for day, we will use them for Facebook. For big defense news, the Ambazonian Defense Forces are Kamanto then be deployed for inside Mbogmvi and for Alloy. This one be in a territory where be previously controlled by the Field Marshal, the big brother for Cristiano. The Akamanto force then get little resistance with the Cameroon military. There are two outposts then waiting there for the after brief fire exchange, then withdraw for their position. And Ambazonian Defense Forces that include those two territories of Mbogmbi and Alo as Ambazonian liberated area under the transitional authority of the Governing Council of Ambazonia.
Today na Mbogmbi village. Today Monday.
One person be arrested, where the person be an informant, a black leg where he be communicate with the Cameroon military in a phone. They will discover messages them where they inform the Cameroon military about movement of our forces them for inside Mbogmbi and for inside Alo. Decision for the reveal and for name the face for the Ambazonian Defense Forces Brigade for inside Lebialem. It is still be pending for the Governing Council, but the Ambazonian Defense Forces then get a general where be the overall commander for the entire Lebialem state for Ambazonia, Atlantic state. For another news, yesterday, the 30th of March 2021, our sister forces of the Mountain Lions launched a brazen attack inside Buea, capital city of Ambazonia, that lasted for over 45 minutes. 4 La République du Cameroon terrorist forces were neutralized, according to the report from the field. We want for thanks Commander Shaggy, and we go continue for work and collaborate with all sister forces them for effectively prosecute our liberation struggle. While for inside the Savannah state, the details that they come say the two La République du Cameroon forces then where they be killed them for the attack with the ADF Bamenda Brigade be launched and for Bangui Road it and they come out from the General Hospital.
Today na so rona kwa moto unakulia na renda shoot. Yeah, rona kwa moto. Na 29 of March. So now 8 boys and this. Yeah, so rona kwa moto.
According to the information where it be leaked from La République, their chat group, the two military terrorist forces them way they be killed them for day they don't be their name they don't be released for their family and their body them also meet and rest in hell. For other diplomatic news, the office of the president of the Ambazonian Governing Council it informed the general Ambazonian public say all contact with them with the United Nations it then be suspended, and the executive president office will no longer directly deal with the United Nations. All affairs handled by the office of the president of the governing council shall henceforth be handled by the Secretary of State and associated specialized department henceforth. The president of the Ambazonia Governing Council recently stormed out of a meeting that was called by the United Nations following information that the Cameroon government had blinked and wanted to engage in negotiation. The Ambazonian Governing Councils have maintained that there shall be no direct negotiation between Ambazonia and La République du Cameroun that would involve the Ambazonian Governing Council. The position of the Ambazonia Governing Council that we shall only negotiate with La République du Cameroun as equal partner in a fair negotiation platform that should involve enforcement mechanism guaranteed by the instrument of the United Nations, with multiple nations being allowed to participate as facilitators and mediation in any such negotiation. The United Nations Secretary General, Special Rapporteur François Fort, and the office of the Secretary General himself was involved in this meeting. This is the second time that they have had a fallout in a meeting between the United Nations and the Ambazonian Governing Council. According to information we are having from the Governing Council Secretary of State, La République du Cameroun is preparing for another dialogue. This is a no-go area for the Ambazonian Governing Council. With all the blood and sacrifices of our people, we shall not accept any form of dialogue or negotiation with La République du Cameroun that will not give the Ambazonian people a fair shot to address the root causes in a fair manner that can have an enforcement mechanism. We will not negotiate for negotiation purposes. We will negotiate to bring about justice and the final and sustainable settlement of the root causes of the War of Ambazonian Liberation that will see Cameroon withdraw from our national territory in respect of international law that gives the Ambazonian people access to the right of self-determination to pursue their aspiration of a completely independent Ambazonia or the British Southern Cameroon territory. In another news, the Ambazonia Defense Force and its War Council have issued an arrest warrant, dead or alive, for Ndida Lawrence Nche, the La République du Cameroun SDO of Nkambe. Lawrence Nche is wanted for crimes against humanity following viral video showing him humiliating the Ambazonian people in Nkambe. Any information that leads to the arrest or neutralization of the threat poses by Lawrence Nche will be hugely rewarded. We then get information about Lawrence Nche and a house where he get them for inside Douala would need more people than for involved, and any person where if he take action against Lawrence Nche, whether a person where he search up for he or a place where he stay, it no matter the person, no question will be asked. This is top priority. Ambazonia people shall make sure that justice is done and there is no impunity in subjugating our people in slavery. The Ambazonia Defense Forces is issuing a ban of a Cameroon-made drink called Bosta Whiskey Coca. This drink is produced, branded by La République du Cameroun. Unlike the brasseries drinks and Guinness drinks that are produced as franchise in La République du Cameroun, this is a drink that is made by the Cameroon government and their economy. It is completely banned. We are calling on all shops that carries this drink to remove them from their shelf within 1 week. Any provisional store that sells this drink will have to pay a price. Please take note about this drink. We will put out the video of this drink so that people can know the specific drink we are talking about.
21. About them. I plead for anybody, any man. We live inside Ambaland. If you not look and find, I hold something for my hand. They call her, they say, can't wait to Bosta. I beg, I plead for everybody. When no say they sell these things, for Isa Ambalan. Today, the 30th, 2021. As from today, I dey tell everybody, we give now 1 week. As from today for this town, any man wey dey get am, we not meet up am for his store.
That one day.
That one clear.
La Republique, you no go use. We're gonna another strategy is for your Republique to bring a Brazzaville food dog them. Well, we now look and find any man you go see the video, you look fine on top the video. You go look the right way they dey. You go see am. The contraband good from La Republique. We don't need that for Allah. Na Brazzaville product. So after that very 1 week, any man where they meet up am again for a place, anything where it befall you, now you know. I thank everybody very much. I be very happy for the message when I don't hear 1 week.
In the meeting where it will take place for Insa Mezam, where we see all the joint forces them, all the main commanders them for the 6 units them for the Bamenda Brigade. The decision it will be anonymous. It can be endorsed by the War Council. Henceforth, the drink called Whiskey Can, when na Bosta, it be red in color, it be completely banned. All trader then get 1 week for remove them for their shelf. I will put out a picture as well of this drink for na information. Capo Daniel signing out. May our revolution be short. May independence, democracy, civil liberty be in an independent Ambazonia forever. God bless you.